how we are doing over here and frying some chicken. Doing some fried chicken. Yeah? Beautiful brown fried chicken. Wow, it's beautiful. Almost done. Yeah? And over here, I'm cooking some corn. Yeah. Cooking some corn. Some corn. Yes, so I'm making dinner. Cooking some corn, fried chicken with some Sunday rice and peas. Yeah? So stay tuned to see the finished look. We're ready to eat that rice. Thank you. Stay tuned. This is my finishing thing. Just fried chicken, rice and peas, corn, some Sunday rice and peas. Yeah, now it's nice, yeah. And the slice of avocado. Yeah. With some jerk sauce on top there. Yeah. It's a funny mixture. Yeah. It's all good. Yeah. I'm gonna eat now and enjoy.